Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. You're in Unit 5, Admission of Partners. And today I'm going to teach you problem number 22. Right? Exercise problem number 22. Now here we see Bharat and Varun are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 5:4. They admitted, it's not visible, right? So they admitted Damu into partnership. The new profit sharing ratio is agreed at 1:1:1. Damu's share of goodwill is valued at 15,000, of which he pays 10,000 in cash. Pass necessary journal entries for the adjustment of goodwill on assumption that the fluctuating capital method is followed. So fluctuating capital method, fixed capital method. All right, we saw this in the basic accounts. Okay, the basic chapter of partnership. We taught you what is fluctuating capital and what is fixed capital method. Now let us come to Varun and Bharat. So Varun, okay, Varun and Bharat, they are partners, sharing profit and loss in the ratio 5:4. Okay, that means old share of Varun, old share of Bharat. Old share of Varun is 5 by 9. Old share of Bharat is 4 by 9. Right. The new profit sharing ratio is 1:1:1. So new share. Since they have given you old share and new share, you can easily calculate the sacrifice. So new share of Varun is what? They have given you 1:1:1. That means 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. Right. So Varun's share, new share is 1 by 3. And you have Bharat. Bharat's share is also 1 by 3. The new partner Damu is coming in. He is also going to get 1 by 3. Right. Let us lift the thing so that it is visible. Okay. Damu is also going to get 1 by 3. Now, first thing is you have to calculate the sacrifice. So let us calculate the sacrifice. Because Damu's share of goodwill is to be distributed in sacrifice ratio. In the absence of sacrifice ratio, you can divide it in the old ratio. So now that you have your new share and the old share details, you can easily calculate the sacrifice. So sacrifice ratio is equal to old share minus new share. Okay. Now what is your old share? Old share is 5 by 9 for Varun, minus 1 by 3. So you take 9 as a common factor. 5, 3 will go here in 9 3 times. So 3 ones are 3. So that comes to 2 by 9. Okay. This is your new share. And next this is your sacrifice. Sorry. This is your sacrifice. Let us come to Bharat. Bharat. Now this is your old. Old is what? 4 by 9 minus 1 by 3. So that comes to 9. 9 as a common factor. 4 minus 3. So that comes to 1 by 9. So your sacrifice is what? Your sacrifice ratio is 2:1. This is your sacrifice ratio. Now that you know your sacrifice ratio, let us go back to the problem. Right. Now it says that he is bringing in 15,000, of which 10,000 in cash and 5,000 it's going to be debited in his account. Now let us pass the journal entry. Right. Okay. Let us go to journals. Okay. There you are. With our sacrifice ratio alone, we are going to journals. So for the journals, you have to write your date, followed by your particulars. Then you have your LF. Then let us write your debit. Then your credit. Fine. Now the date is not mentioned here, so you can ignore that. Your particulars. He's going to bring in how much? He's going to bring in 15,000. Damu is going to bring in 15,000. Damu 15,000. Yeah. He's going to bring in 15,000. In this, 10,000 he's going to bring cash. And 5,000 he's not able to pay. So this is cash. The balance will be debited to his capital account. Fine. So let us pass the journal entry. So bank account data, bank account data, and who's the partner who's coming in? Damu's capital account. Damu's capital account data to, who are the new partners? Varun and Bharati. What's his name? Let us go back to the problem. Yes, Varun and Bharati. Fine. So Varun and Bharati's capital account to Varun's capital account, to Varun's capital account, to Bharati's capital account, to Bharati's capital account. Okay, being what? Damu's share of goodwill transferred to the old partners. In the sacrifice ratio. Right. Now let us see, to the bank he is depositing 10,000. Of course, everything is in form of rupees. So don't forget to mention that, okay? 10,000. Now Damu is bringing in 10,000 and then 5,000, which is totally 15,000 kondu varam. Yeah. So he's bringing in 15,000. How are you going to share this now? 15,000. 15,000 in the ratio, sacrifice ratio 2 is to 1. So into 2 by 3. 15,000 into 1 by 3. So sacrifice is 2 is to 1, right? So you are going to share this. So 3 will go here 5 times. 3 will go here 5 times. So 5 twos are 5 twos are 10. So Varun is going to get 10,000 and Bharat is going to get 5,000. Okay, so Varun is going to get 10,000 and Bharat's capital is going to get 5,000. So this is the journal entry that you have to pass. See here, you calculated the sacrifice ratio and then you have he has brought cash and partly he is not able to pay. So you debited his capital account and you have credited to the existing capital account of the old partners. Fine, children. I hope you understood the journal. Then next, I'm going to teach you problem number 23. Okay, children. Thank you.